Hi there guys, so welcome to this email autoresponder series lesson number 7. So in today's video we're going to talk about how exactly can we add or import subscribers into our Aweber account. So again, if you log into the dashboard, alright, if you go under subscribers, now if you click on subscribers, it will actually show all the subscribers within this list that I have, which is called Benjamin Goes list. Same thing, if I were to click on add subscriber, it will only add into this particular list. So if you wish to actually add your subscribers to other lists, please click on the right arrow button over here. It will show you all the various lists that you have created, and how do you create a list is actually shown in one of the previous lessons within this email autoresponder training series. Alright, so first and foremost, if you go under subscribers and click on add subscribers, it will actually ask you, do you want to add one at a time or you want to import multiple subscribers? So what is exactly the difference? Now, first and foremost, if you have just like 2, 3, 4 subscribers that you wish to add into this particular list, you can choose add one at a time. But if you're actually importing a list, let's say from another autoresponder, and you wish to add everything into Aweber, for example, you might have, let's say 10,000 email subscribers in another autoresponder, and you want to transfer everything to Aweber, then you click on import multiple. Okay, so the difference of course is when you add one at a time. Let me show you guys. If I click on this, it will ask you for the name, for the email address, then from there you can actually click on add subscriber. Now, when you're doing a manual adding of subscriber, please bear in mind that on a per day basis there's a cap. Alright, the cap is you can only add 10 subscribers at one time. However, if you are actually importing multiple subscribers like this, they will ask you for a bit more information. Like for example, first and foremost, of course, you have to upload the CSV file of your entire subscriber list. Alright, then they will ask you for subscriber information, like where exactly do you get all the subscribers from, as well as the URL of the landing page that you actually made these subscribers give you the information in the first place. Now, then confirm opt-in. Do you want Aweber to actually send for you a confirmation message for them to opt into this list? Usually I will choose no over here. More other options, nothing much. Background info, nothing much. They will ask you for whether you just want to import their names or just their email addresses, stuff like that. And from there, you will actually start importing multiple. Alright, it will take up to a maximum of 24 hours, but usually in a matter of 2 to 4 hours, you'll get the results. So let's say, for example, you might have 10,000 email lists. Alright, don't be surprised that not all 10,000 will be added. Some of the email addresses might actually be blocked by Aweber, number one. Number two, you might actually have repeat subscribers in your 10,000 list without you knowing. Alright, like for example, you might actually have subscriber mary@hotmail.com in one list and mary@hotmail.com in another list. But when you actually download the entire 10,000 email addresses from your other autoresponders, it will actually show that these are all considered as double so-called same email address. So they will actually uncheck one of them. Alright, so this is how you actually import and add subscribers into your Aweber account. So if you want to know what is the status like when you're doing multiple imports, you can actually go to import history. Alright, and it will actually show you what is the status like. For example, how many have you submitted, how many are new imported, existing updated, so and so forth. Okay, so I will see you guys in the next recording, whereby I will talk about integration of Aweber with other softwares. Take care.